Let's chat about the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer from Glow Recipe, an oil-free, lightweight gel moisturizer that hydrates, plumps, and soothes skin. This moisturizer is absolutely perfect for my oily combination skin because it intensely hydrates without making my skin look or feel more oily or heavy. All you need to use this product is a pea-sized amount, spread it evenly across your skin, and gently pat in until fully absorbed. This moisturizer has such a silky, lightweight texture that feels instantly soothing on the skin. It provides my skin with oil-free hydration that lasts all day and has a light watermelon scent. Immediately after applying, my skin feels so hydrated, plump, and supple without feeling heavy or greasy. Pink Juice is formulated with watermelon extract, rich in amino acids to help deeply hydrate and soothe the skin. Hyaluronic acid is an all-star ingredient for hydration. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. The jasmine and peony extract in this moisturizer are rich in antioxidants to soothe sensitive skin, moisturize, and brighten over time. The Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer can be used morning and night after you've cleansed, toned, and applied your serums. If you're going to use this during the day, make sure to follow up with an SPF. Along with the Pink Juice Moisturizer, I also really love to use the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner and the Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops for my oily skin. Both of these help to gently exfoliate, hydrate, and minimize the look of pores over time. My oily combination acne-prone skin has been loving this moisturizer, and I'm so excited for you to get your hands on it.